The Password Strength Checker is a simple project developed using Python. It is a simple, interesting password checker project. When you write the characters to type with password, then you will see if your password satisfies all password policies or not. The other part of our project is the password generator. This password generator application is designed for creating random strong password without any length limits. In this application, you can write the overall length of the password you want to generate, then press OK. Then you will get the unique password. Also, the design of this system is pretty simple so that the user won't get any difficulties while working on it. There are often cases of data breaches and exposed user passwords. Security companies make a list of passwords that are often used by people in general. There are 5 commonly used passwords, including 123456, 12345678, password, Adobe 123 and 12345678. Hackers have this list that they use with a computer program that can guess commonly used passwords, plus millions of other passwords, in just 1 minute. Even if the password you think is difficult, it is not that difficult for hackers to guess your password. Most hackers are not trying to guess your password. But once they get one of your passwords, by infiltrating data or viruses on your computer, they will be able to access your other online accounts by using the same password. That is why you need to create a unique password for each account, especially for bank use or other financial activities. Because most hackers will avoid strong passwords and then switch to easier targets. Hackers don't just sit in front of the computer and try to guess your password. However, it is not uncommon for hackers to also use your relatives or close people as a source to obtain passwords. Therefore, creating passwords using the names of people, children, relatives, and pets will be vulnerable to hacker attacks. Hackers can get millions of company passwords, not only from computer programs, but from other sources. Short passwords are easier to crack and become the perfect target for them. These password checker and generator tools give you the power to customize the length, characteristics, and also test the strength of your password. Moreover, all these tools are available for free, meaning you'll be creating or testing as many passwords as you like without getting into your pocket, unless you have other advanced versions that might ask you to subscribe, which is rare. Furthermore, these tools run on your device and not within the browser. For those folks that always require new passwords often to protect access to the most sensitive programs, as well as managing several different passwords at a go, then password checker and generator tools are the most appropriate. Therefore, it's easy to say that they are one of the best means of coming up with strong and secure passwords.